Hey everyone, if you've ever opened SketchUp and immediately felt overwhelmed, or you feel like you're not using it to its true potential, then this PA Academy workshop is exactly what you need. My name is Daniel Brown, and I'm the instructor. And in this course, we're going to skip through the abstract theories and dive right into building a complete exterior architectural model together. I'll show you my exact step-by-step workflow from importing a standard 2D floor plan to extruding walls and creating precise openings, all while keeping your file clean and organized using groups, components, and tags. Once the main structure is up, we'll dial in the details. You'll learn how to apply custom materials and textures, and you'll build out the site using the sandbox tools. Lastly, you'll generate a stunning photorealistic rendering using scenes and an extension in SketchUp called AI Enhance. Whether you're an absolute beginner or just want to model faster and cleaner, you'll walk away with a repeatable workflow that you can use on every single project. I'm excited to build something unique with you, so grab a spot and welcome to PA Academy.